In this video, we are going to explain about our service offering, which is daily newsletter, which covers Nifty and Bank Nifty futures. We are going to explain how to trade on the calls provided in the daily newsletter. Also, we will see how to read and make the best use of the analysis points given in the daily newsletter. Before we start, just a brief about this service, which is our daily newsletter package. This is an ideal service for high risk traders who don't have the time to sit in front of their trading terminal for the entire day, nor can they trade immediately on receiving the messages on their mobile. In this service, we provide the market analysis and trades one day in advance to our subscribers. The calls are carefully generated using a multi-time frame analysis and various technical trading tools, further keeping in mind the risk management principle. All the subscribers have to do is to place these orders in their broker's terminal in the morning as bracket orders and then forget about. The bracket orders will execute themselves and either stop loss or target will hit and the order will be auto squared off. There is nothing else to do apart from putting the order in the system as a bracket order. So let's begin with the first part of this video, where I will share the first section in which we provide the trading calls. So on your screen is the front page of our daily newsletter. We have taken an example of 13th June. This newsletter was sent to all our subscribers on 12th of June, so that before the market opens they know what calls to trade, and at 9:15 AM they can put their orders in the system. So if you see the first section of the newsletter, title is High Probability Intraday Trades. These are the trades that the subscribers have to input in their broker's terminal as a bracket order. Now before I move on, if you don't know how to put a bracket order, there are plenty of videos available and there is a method available on Zerodha's website as well. Moving on, now let's explain how to read the trading calls. If you look at the first table of Nifty futures, you can see the first column that reads precondition. As the name suggests, precondition is a condition which needs to be true before you place the trade in the system. For example, let's take trade 1. It does not have any precondition. So this trade should be put in the system as a bracket order at market opening, that is at 9:15 AM. You don't have to worry about anything, just open your terminal at 9:15 AM and put this trade in the system and forget about it. Whereas if you look at trade number 2, you can see that there is a precondition which says that if it opens up or trades above 11,940 and then falls, this means that this trade should be taken only and only if Nifty futures opens above 11,940 or it trades above 11,940 anytime during the day. So the second trade is not to be put into the system at 9:15 AM. Instead, if at any point during the day, if price crosses 11,940, then this trade has to be put in the system. Normally, we also give an alert on our Telegram channel whenever the precondition is met. So if you see the next 3 columns in the table, they are for the trading call, the stop loss and target. For example, in trade number 2, the trading call is to sell below 11,910 with stop loss at 11,935 and the target is at 11,880. Now the precondition is that Nifty futures has to trade above 11,940. So suppose Nifty futures opens at 11,920 and then during the day it moves above 11,940. At that point you will get an alert on our Telegram channel, or if you are watching the market, at that moment you can go and place this stop loss sell order below 11,910 in the system with a stop loss at 11,935 and a target of 11,880. That is how you trade on this call, and that's it. That's all our subscribers have to do. The trade will auto execute if price falls below 11,910 after that, and it will be squared off automatically at stop loss or at target. Finally, if you see the next column in the newsletter, it is for additional targets. This is only meant as a guidance for active traders. We monitor and record our performance based on first target only. So that's it, friend. I want to keep this video short. I hope the first section of the newsletter, which is the most important section for traders, will be clear to you. In our next video, we will take up the other section, which is the analysis section. It will be a little longer video than this one, but definitely more helpful for traders who want to learn as well as trade on their own. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more stock market related educational videos.